This strategy is going to help you find a best-selling product to sell on Amazon. Are you interested? Let's get started. Before diving into the strategy, here are a few reasons why you might want to avoid selling best-selling products on Amazon. First of all, best-selling products on Amazon are very competitive. Second of all, they might not have constant demand, as you might see them that they're very in demand right now, and they might be seasonal, trending products rather than everyday products that customers want to purchase. And number three, it's really very focused on you as a seller and your business skills, because selling competitive, best-selling products on Amazon does require you to have better skills as a seller. With that being said, here is the list of product categories that are mostly in demand on Amazon. These categories are stable and somewhat don't have a lot of seasonal products. However, that doesn't mean that you should just be selling in those categories, because you can literally sell anything on Amazon as long as you have a strategy. So what is the strategy, you might ask? Let's start with step number one of the strategy, the best sellers page. And that is a page on Amazon that has selected and curated best-selling products for the Amazon customer as well as seller to see. The reason behind this page is because Amazon wants to provide customers with a little bit more feedback so that they can make a better informed decision. And we see this strategy also in retail, especially in bookstores, where you have the selection of the best-selling books of the week or even of the month. So it does really work, and it does really affect customers' purchasing behavior. Where do you find this page? You just need to click the hamburger menu right here, and you should find it right here. Click on bestsellers and you will be sent over to the best-selling products in all of the main categories. And if you click on each and every category, you'll also be given all of the best sellers for the subcategories as well, such as here kitchen and the subcategories under kitchen, so that you can go ahead and check out all of the best sellers. Three important things to remember. Number one, this list is updated hourly. So every hour things might change. Number two, this is not a selection from Amazon. It is rather decided based on the sales. So any product that is number one in the home category is literally the best selling product in all of the categories. So that's something to be really excited about. And number three, this list is not only shown to Amazon customers, but you as a seller as well as your competitors can see this list, which basically means that it does create even more competition when selecting a product. Now, if you're interested to learn about all of the strategy and you want to download it, you'll find a link in the description box of this video. I'll also add it in the first comment, where you can click, add your email, and then we'll email over the strategy to you. And don't forget that Amazon Sellers Society is a certified Amazon service provider. So we're here to support you with everything related to Amazon, such as helping you open your Amazon account, helping you select products, listing those products, advertising those products, everything that you might need. Make sure that you check out all of our details on our official website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Make sure that you book a call with our team if you're interested in any of our services. Step number two in the strategy, be more specific. In order to be more specific, you need to utilize tools. I always constantly talk about Helium 10 on this channel. It's an awesome tool, and if you want to use it, we have a discount code. I'll leave it right here on the screen. You'll also find it in the description box of this video. So Helium 10 can give you lots of information that can make you make a better informed decision rather than just looking at the best sellers. One thing that you're able to know is that you can have an estimation of how many units the seller is selling by using a tool called X-Ray, which you will find in the drop-down Chrome extension that you can download free of charge. You can also check out Magnet, which is an awesome feature inside of Helium 10, where you can check all of the complementary keywords and what is the search volume for those keywords. Right here, I'm in Magnet in Helium 10, and I chose Amazon UAE, and I started with a key search term, which is pencils. The idea of this is I'm asking Helium 10 to provide me as many keywords that could be potentially relevant keywords, not only the keyword pencil, that customers might be using in order to find the product that I intend to sell, which is pencils. So right here, you can find a lot of keywords with a lot of data. Let's click on search volume so that we can find the highest to lowest when it comes to search volume, which is the amount of searches a keyword gets per 30 days. As you can see here, the number one keyword is an Apple Pencil, which is getting 3,473 searches per month. If you click here, you'll also see the historical search results of that particular keyword so that you can analyze and see whether or not this is a trending product or if this is a product that has been in demand for over a year, signifying that it is somewhat an entry to market stable product. Things like pencil case, whiteboard, pen. As you can see, pencil itself has 1,508 search volume, whereas pencils with an S only has 182. So if you wanted to sell this type of product, you better use pencil and not pencils as your main search term keyword in your overall listing. Even eyebrow pencil has really good search volume, but as you can see, lots of demand for iPad pencils or the Apple Pen as well. Now, depending on the marketplace that you're selling in, you want anywhere between a 300 search volume per month all the way up to 30,000. The lower the search volume, the less demand the product has, but the less competition it might also potentially have. So let's go through a rapid fire plan of action strategy for you to follow. Number one, look at the best-selling product page so that you can find out trending and in-demand products right now on Amazon. Number two, make sure that you choose products that have high demand. They don't need to be selling lots of units, but high demand can significantly reduce your risk because it means people really want those products. High demand based on the search volume is what you need to be focusing on. Number three, leverage product reviews, because you can analyze those product reviews and you can get insights as to what customers like about the product and what they don't like, and then you can customize your product selection accordingly. Number four, how about you consider buying and starting off your Amazon business with inexpensive, easy to get into products rather than showcasing very expensive products that might require a really big budget from your end as a new seller. And finally, test. You never should order any product in order to sell it on Amazon without literally buying samples, inspecting those samples, testing them out, and making sure the quality adheres to what you want to sell as an Amazon seller. And that's it. Remember, you'll be able to download the full strategy. You'll find the link in the description box of this video or in the top comment. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.